Welcome back to Fisher Family Adventures. Today we are in beautiful Naples, Florida, and we're going to head out and fish some of the local wrecks and reefs in the area. We are targeting grouper, snapper, cobia, and anything that will give us a good fight. It's been really windy the past couple weeks with these cold fronts showing up, so we had to wait for a good weather window to get out and fish. I get this question a lot, so I wanted to show everyone how I position myself on top of the wreck, what I'm normally fishing with, and what I catch on my local wrecks and reefs. Just marked our drift. That blue squiggly line, I don't know if you can see it too well, so we're gonna go back over it and give it about 200 feet and drift back and anchor right over this wreck. All right, let it out.
All right.
We're about 150 feet past, so we're gonna drop the windlass and start letting our anchor out. And we're gonna should drift right back over this wreck. Here we are right on top of this mark, so we're gonna fish it. Oh, don't be a blue runner.
I was gonna say, we'll see first. That's not get carried away.
This is a good, actually a good fish, dude. Oh, what is this? Might be your black, dude.
Yeah, he's small. I mean, not small, but not like a black. Like that's what I'm saying on these leg rods. You need a big. Like that other one's a big fish, but this one's just a regular fish.
Red grouper? Don't be a red grouper.
Gag!
No, is that a black or a gag?
Gag.
Damn.
I told you.
Anytime we fish a wreck, we will chum pretty heavily to get the fish to start feeding. Imp. Jeez, what is this? Did I find like a gag honey hole down here? What is this? What is this? That's another mutton. This is not a bad spot, dude. If there's gags and muttons on it, they're just not. Gags aren't in season. It's unfortunate.
Yeah.
What is that? Is that
giant ladyfish?
That's a ladyfish?
Yeah.
Here? That's awesome.
Oh!
There's our black dude. Don't let him on the bottom, dude. Man, the net is right where you are in there. Actually, did you pull the net up front? Here, we're gonna see this fish here in a minute. Watch out, watch out. Where's the net?
Right here.
You got a black.
Get the mutton.
Nah, that was a black grouper. What is that? Is that a black? Or is that a gag?
Another gag. Another big ass fucking gag.
That's a nice gag though, dude. That's a bigger one. That'd be 2 keeper gags, man. We'd be able to eat. Guys.
We're all falling over each other.
Guys, that's a school of cobia. Watch out, Amanda. I'm gonna hook one right now. Yep.
Ah, I think I scared him.
Big school of cobia. Right at the boat. Eat it, eat it. Got him. No, he dropped it. All right, guys, we gotta. Ruler over there, but
Freaking rip my shit apart.
I'm saying I don't have a hand ruler. Is why. I've got one in the back of the boat. You got him, man.
I don't think he's gonna make it though.
Oh, he's coming towards us. I don't see anything. He's actually swimming towards us. I mean, your thing is right here in my back. Normally there are cobia on sea turtles, though.
Alright.
Feeling like a Goliath?
Yep, full drag.
That's up to you. Depends how bad you want him.
I want him.
I'm gonna full drag him and pull him up. Although if it's a cobia, you'll break him off. What was this on?
Softball squid.
I don't know what he is then. Goliath?
Yeah.
Oh!
He's got a fish inside of his hand.
Holy shit. That's a keeper.
You got him?
No. Reel him in.
Oh, look at that. That was worth the price of admission.
That's a nice fish. That's a nice. This guy broke someone else off. Someone tried to use this chunk as bait.
Yeah.
Someone tried to use this as bait, and they lost him, so we got him. Gag grouper, one of my absolute favorite fish to catch on the wrecks and the reefs. This one measured almost 36 inches. Yeah, so we're just using 40-pound leader with a 3/4 ounce light jig head. Yep. And we got squid for bait here. Nothing too fancy. Got something tiny on. That's what you would expect to find on a wreck, is a grunt like that. Now, Amanda, did you hit the flush? All right, I'll do that. Give me a minute. I got a small red grouper on here. Yeah, red grouper. It's a good fish, whatever this is. Oh. It's AJ though. This can't be a snapper. What is this? It's gotta be a blue runner or something. Yeah, blue runner. Blue runner. There we go. What is this? I think I might have a cobia or something on. What is this? No. This feels like a grouper. No, this isn't a cobia. This is not a cobia. I thought it was at first, but I think it's just another one of those blue runners. Yeah. Yeah. These guys are all over. No, it's juvenile amberjack. These guys are all over every wreck around here. I'm gonna toss him back. There we go.
Oh, crap.
I think there's another AJ. He's kicking like one. Must be over a school of them. Yeah. I caught a lot of fish on that rod before you said the weight was too late. Looks like you got a fish, Dad.
I do. It's not a big fish. Little bite.
That's a lane snapper. Not a keeper though.
Throw him back. Let him swim and get bigger.
Oh yeah, you got a fish on the chunk?
Yeah.
That's a snapper. Oh no, it's a baby gag grouper.
Wow.
It's a baby. I think it's a good snapper. If we got what we're looking for. Might be a blue runner. What is it? Oh no, it's a. Oh, look at that. Porgy. These are delicious. These porgies.
Can you eat? I think you threw porgies.
Can I cast it out here? Got him. Oh, he's kicking. Feels like a lane snapper.
Pretty.
Got him. Another small snapper. Oh no, it's another baby gag.
A lot of babies here. Where are the babies? Big guy.
Well, we're only... Another lean snapper. Got a better one?
Ooh, yeah, that.
There we go. It looks like a good snapper. No. That's a fatter one. That'll keep. This is a decent fish, whatever this is.
Yeah, I don't know. That is the biggest grouper I've seen. It's a big grouper. How long is it?
Nope, he's just foul hooked. Yeah, that's a nice fish. No. She loves the snapper. Come on, this is a big mutton snapper. Come on. I think it might, the way it's digging, I think it might be a red grouper, but it's heavy or whatever it is. Your drag is really loose. Stop for a second. All right, go. Come on, bring him up, bring him up. I know, we're not gonna net this guy. I think it's a red grouper. The way it's digging straight down, but you never know. Like it gave up. Oh, it's coming back, actually.
It didn't give up.
It didn't give up?
No. It's holding it.
You were really out there.
It swam out there.
Give me the net. That's it. Might be. That's it. Ah, it's a red grouper. Yeah, it's a red grouper. That's what we're talking about.
There's my snapper sandwich.
That's like a 14-inch yellowtail. Oh, that's dinner right there. Thanks for watching, guys. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel if you enjoy content like this.